Welcome. In front of me is a TCL 40R, and today I will show you how you can hard reset this device through settings. So to get started, you will want to open up your settings application. Next, scroll all the way down to System, select Reset, and then erase all data, factory reset. This will present you with a list of data right here that will be removed by this process, which includes, importantly, things like music, photos, and other user data. Now, one could argue that all of this is user data, but anyway, if you have anything here that you would like to preserve, maybe, like I said, music, photos, documents, anything that you have downloaded, make a backup copy of it before you go any further. Otherwise, this data is going to be deleted and this cannot be undone. Now, I don't have anything here that I want to back up, so I'm just going to select Erase All Data and do that once more. And I get stopped by a battery percentage, as I am at like, what, 19%, I think? I need to have at least 30%. I'm going to try to cheese this. I don't know if it will work, but I might as well try. Sometimes when you just charge the device, you can actually do this. Let's try that. Nope. So even when it's charging, I can't go through this. But normally, if you have more than 30% of battery, you'll be able to perform this reset without any kind of problem. I also want to point out that if you have a screen lock on your device, when you're going from this page to the next one, you will have this show up and you will need to confirm your screen lock before you can go and press on the erase all data for the second time, which would then begin factory resetting your device. Now, even though I can't do this on the video and show you, it is a fully automatic process, so there is not much to it. Once you press it, it just turns off the device, starts resetting all the data. This will take about 2 minutes, and once it's finished, you are then taken to the setup screen of the device. And that's basically it. So once you see the welcoming screen on your phone, that means that everything is finished. Now, with that being said, hopefully you found this video helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.